So let's go look at OP. I know this was requested on the live stream and I wasn't able to look at it. I'll use the Mexc chart right now. So let me just start on the weekly time frame and kind of go from there. Let me get rid of that thing on the side. So the weekly time frame for Bitcoin on the stock R side, you can see it's in a downtrend, but actually even the weekly chart for OP is flagging out. So I've got to make that black so you guys can see it. This is flagging out. The weekly chart is flagging out for OP. So I kind of like where this could possibly go. You could even say your last local low was way down there. OP looks like it could, you know, get a decent bounce to the upside. Right now you're sitting at 336. So the weekly chart is going to give you bigger moves. The measure move on the weekly time frame, this is going to take probably 3 to 6 months to play out, but that's telling you you could do a 3 or 4x on OP coin. The 3-day time frame for OP is looking really good as well. And if I take the 3-day time frame measure move, it should be the same really. The daily chart is overbought, making a lower high, but it's consolidating, so I still like what I'm looking at on OP for the short-term time frames. You can just kind of edit this a little bit so it looks better on the smaller time frames. The daily's overbought. I would look for a correction. You're at right now at the top of this bull pennant that's forming on the higher time frames, such as the daily, 3-day, and weekly, but you're at the top of the channel, so I would expect to move back to the downside, chop around a few more times, and then get an explosion to the upside, hopefully. These do break out 68% of the time to the upside. Doesn't mean this has to do that, but we are in a bull market. I would expect it, especially in the higher time frames, to do to go to the upside. So we'll see what happens. If we look at the 8-hour chart next, that's getting a higher low. That's really bullish. The 12-hour chart is overbought. Be cautious. The 6-hour chart looks good. The 4 hours oversold. So really, the smaller time frames say you could rip here. I'd be cautious on OP, but the higher time frames do look like you could get a massive move to the upside here in the next 3 to 6 months, as high as, you know, $15 or so. I think that's what I said. So that's my update for OP. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.